This is Benjamin, founder of Farmagain. We had visited this farm about a year back, exactly a year back. And when we visited last time, these plants actually were very young, very small. In 1 year, we have seen tremendous growth. And the comparison for me, as far as oil palm is concerned, is with farms in Indonesia and Malaysia. There is a notion, there is a belief that oil palm is meant to grow in high rainfall regions. But as we all know, for those of you who know this region, this is a rain shadow region. There is no water. In the previous video, we had actually shown the water output from the borewell. It was a 1-inch pipe. The water output was only less than half of that 1 inch. Right. With that, he has been able to do successful farming in 12 acres. Now, I would like to highlight what was the situation last year and how things have changed this year, and what really caused that change is what I'm going to focus on. During the last visit, year back, I had suggested to Mr. Dureraj, the owner of this farm, who unfortunately couldn't stay back with us today, to somehow consider subsurface irrigation. Last year, these laterals were on the surface, so I had suggested to him to find option to take the laterals underground because it could save in water. I mean, remember, this is a rain shadow region, there is no water. So by making this subsurface, you can avoid evaporation, you can ensure the water and the nutrients are straight given to the root zone and lesser weed impact. Overall, it could benefit the crops. So that was a suggestion I had given him. I'm so excited, so happy that he is probably 1 out of 100 farmers that I speak with who has followed the suggestions. He has done it this time. He has made, you can see that he actually placed the laterals and made a small bed on top of it to convert the over the surface irrigation into subsurface irrigation. So this is as far as oil palm is concerned. So key takeaway, oil palm doesn't have to be in high rain region. It can also be grown successfully in a rain shadow and water deficient locations too. So now this Goa farm is also very closer to the, it is rather adjacent to the oil palm area. What we saw last year was half of this Goa, he had done raised bed, and part of it he had also converted to double inline. And he had said then that he did both raised bed and partial double inline after watching some of my videos where I was talking about the science behind why there should be a raised bed and what is the benefit of double inline and those kinds of advices. The additional input I gave him last time when we visited was not only should you do raised bed, make double inline for the entire region, and preferably try to have mulch sheet on top of the bed so that the bed doesn't erode and the soil doesn't become hard. It also will help in better photosynthesis because these mulch sheet also do reflect sunlight to the bottom of the leaves. And because this is a water deficient region, I also suggested to have weed mats so that the weeds don't grow and compete with the crop on the nutrition consumption. Surprising enough, he had done all of it. He made the entire Goa into a raised bed farm. All the beds are now equipped with double inline, and all the beds have got the mulch sheet, and between two beds there is also weed mat. And the farmer, Mr. Duraraj, actually said that this is the first year they had a bumper harvest from Goa. See, basically, my belief, my faith always is if you do follow science the way we should, the plants will reciprocate. But if you don't follow the science, you will be faced with lower yield and all kinds of issues. So on one hand, it is important to make sure the physical infrastructure is made the right way. And the second, what helped him, I mean, you can have physical infrastructure, but if you don't maintain the air water balance, if you don't give the right nutrition at the right time, again, you cannot expect great results. But he is again one of our farmers who is extremely diligent in ensuring the right nutrients are mixed in the stock solution tank so that Grotron can do its job. So the right air water balance is being maintained, the right nutrition at right time is being supplied, which is one of the reasons why he was able to get bumper harvest from Goa, as well as such a great growth in just 1 year as far as oil palm is concerned. So the results of proper science is quite evident from this farm. This farm visit actually has been quite encouraging to me. So what I've decided is to come back to this farm maybe once a year, at least for the next 5 years, and show the difference. Every 1 year, how the trees actually progressed is something I want to show. And this will be a great demonstration of how proper physical infrastructure with technology intervention by Grotron can do wonders for any crop.